Introduction to AI email automation.
Tired of a cluttered inbox and repetitive replies? Discover how AI-powered assistants can help you streamline your email workflow. In this guide, you'll learn how to set up tools that can automatically sort your emails and even draft smart, context-aware responses for you. Boost your productivity and ensure nothing important slips through the cracks.
Choosing the right AI email assistant.
There are several AI tools available, such as Google's built-in Smart Reply, Microsoft Outlook's suggested replies, and third-party services like Superhuman or Clean Email. When choosing a tool, consider compatibility with your email provider, data privacy policies, and which features matter most, like sorting, tagging, or replying. Most assistants offer free trials, so you can test their capabilities with your inbox.
Setting up inbox sorting automation.
Most AI assistants offer automated organization features. After connecting your email account, configure rules for sorting, such as sending newsletters to a separate folder or tagging urgent work emails. Many apps use machine learning to recognize patterns and categorize emails over time, reducing manual sorting. Check your assistant's settings for customization options or preset sorting templates.
Automating smart replies with AI.
AI assistants can help you quickly craft responses by suggesting context-aware replies or drafting entire emails. Enable automated reply features in your chosen software settings. Review suggested replies before sending to ensure accuracy and proper tone. For frequently received questions, you can create templates or allow the AI to suggest answers based on your previous communication patterns.
Tips for safe and effective automation.
While AI tools can save you time, they aren't perfect. Regularly review your automated sorting rules and drafts to correct errors and improve accuracy. Always proofread automatic replies before hitting send. Keep your software updated and review privacy settings to protect sensitive information. With thoughtful setup and oversight, AI can help you manage your email more efficiently and stress-free.